Well, hello my friends. Today we are back with another product test. I could loosen up a little bit, so I'm hoping this works. All right, so a couple things. You have a 2-prong power supply, but you also have a 12 volt, which you could use with a vehicle or a power station that has a 12 volt plug in it. So that's awesome. Look at this thing. Oh, I can't wait to try it out. So this is what I mean if you have a power station. So if you're camping, something like this, 12 volt, or we can even use the plug if we wanted to as well. So something like this, a portable power station, you could take this anywhere. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this plug here, plug it directly in here, and you'll do the same thing for the other plug as well, but we're using the 12 volt. So a couple safety things. Don't use wearing a necklace. Avoid prolonged use to prevent discomfort or low temperature burns. Do not use directly on bare skin. Always on top of clothing. And that's pretty much it. I also will give you guys a little opinion of mine. So I've seen people use this upside down and right side up. Honestly, I don't think it matters too much. It just depends on what you like. But how this is gonna work is you're gonna place it like this. And again, I think it's gonna depend on you and what you like. And let me adjust my camera here so you can kind of see what it's gonna look like. Again, you can have it like this, or you could rotate it the other way around. It's gonna depend on you. So now that we got it connected, we're gonna press and hold the power button here. And this should allow us to turn on, unless we don't have it connected. So let's do that. Okay, so with the plug, it is a little tricky. You wanna make sure you plug it in the whole way. So I plugged it in like this and I thought it was in, but there's this little gap. You gotta actually push it where it clicks, and then your plug's in the whole way. So keep that in mind if you guys have some issues or troubleshoot. Now press and should turn on. Let's get this here. It would help if you actually have oh, it's funny. If I would actually have the station turned on. So a couple of things. You can have it this way. You can have it the other way if you want. It's just gonna depend on what position you want. So I've seen people do it different. And guys, you hear that? You see the rain? Great, so we got ourselves nice and covered up here. But anyway, back to, it actually does work very well. So you can kind of see it here. Again, I've seen some people have it different ways. Whatever feels comfortable for you, whatever works for you. And basically, you can put your hands like this. I like to control it by having my hand and gripping like this, because that means I can apply if I want more pressure this way, up, down. Some people put their entire shoulder through or just their arms through. So some people will put the whole shoulder through like this, which you can do that. But I like to be able to adjust it. Now, if you don't want to have to hold on to it, that's fine. But definitely is going to get those knots on your neck. There are different modes as well. Yeah, so I like to have my hands like this. And what's nice is you could just rest. So you could rest your hands on here too. But it definitely works. And again, some people will say, oh, don't put it that way, do it this way, which means you would have it like this. But both ways I've found can work. And you can also take it out and go on your back too. You could do your lower back. You can even put this on your arms, your shoulders, your thighs, your legs, your feet. You don't have to just use it just for one specific thing. I know it says neck and shoulder, but you can use this for your back. So like this, you see this? And you could go the whole way on your back. So if you want to go upper, you want to go even lower, whatever you want. And that's the nice thing about this. You could go anywhere, put it on any part of your body if you want to. So with that being said, the quality is definitely very nice. I like it. It's a nice design, easily folds away. I have no complaints on this. I think you guys are gonna be happy too.